Most men collapse the moment they try to prove their value. They believe attraction is earned through explanation, persuasion, or emotional effort. The Magnet Code rejects this completely. The man who embodies value never explains it. The man who explains value exposes fear. Words create exposure. Exposure kills mystery. Mystery is where attraction lives. This is why women test. Not to punish, not to manipulate, but to evaluate emotional structure. She applies pressure to see if you fold. She contradicts to see if you defend. She withdraws to see if you chase. She is not asking, is he nice? She is asking, is he solid under tension? The Magnet Code response is always the same: calm, grounded, unmoved. Attraction is fueled by controlled ambiguity. Interest without urgency, availability without surrender, warmth without emotional collapse. Contrast creates tension. Tension creates curiosity. Curiosity initiates desire. The moment she begins trying to decode you, she is already investing emotionally. Now we enter the chemical layer, the dimension most men never consciously see. The modern man is addicted to validation. Likes, replies, reactions. Small dopamine hits replace leadership. He becomes reactive instead of directive. He waits for signals instead of setting the tone. The Magnet Code eliminates this dependency. Women do not bond with emotional spikes. They bond with emotional regulation. Attraction is not created through chaotic intensity. It is created through emotional rhythm. This is soft dominance. Not aggression, not coldness, but elegant self-command. The man who controls his internal state allows her nervous system to relax while her curiosity intensifies. She feels safe and stimulated at the same time, an extremely rare combination. Microsignals decide everything. A steady gaze that does not seek approval, a deliberate pause that shows control, stillness under pressure that signals authority. These signals bypass logic and speak directly to instinct. Seduction has always been internal architecture. Internal order creates external pull. Women sense who governs himself and who is still chasing approval within seconds. They never explain it. They simply choose or quietly disengage. The Magnet Code stands on 3 immovable pillars. First, control over validation. You do not chase emotional crumbs. You do not beg for reciprocation. Your worth is not negotiated. Second, strategic ambiguity. You reveal slowly. You allow silence to do the work. You do not rush emotional exposure or overshare to build false intimacy. Third, neurochemical rhythm. You modulate tension. You lead the emotional atmosphere. You shift between presence and stillness with precision. When these pillars integrate, attraction becomes natural, not forced, not performative. Now comes the initiation ritual. When you begin any interaction, execute 4 silent actions. Grounded, relaxed posture, unbroken, calm eye contact, a minimal, controlled smile, 1 full second of silence before speaking. This sequence activates her value detection circuitry immediately. In that moment, she recognizes something without consciously thinking it. You are not desperate. You are not reactive. You are internally governed. You are operating from a higher tier. Most men react to the world emotionally. The Magnet Code man shapes it deliberately. The choice is simple, but not easy. Remain effort-driven, chasing reactions, or operate from internal authority and let attraction come to you. Once you understand the invisible rules, you cannot unsee them. And once you embody them, you no longer hope to be chosen. You become the man women respond to without knowing why.
Most men enter the world of seduction already losing, not because they lack looks, money, or intelligence, but because they are operating without structure. They step into interactions the way a blind man enters a maze, guessing, reacting, hoping something works. They believe attraction is created by effort, by clever words, by doing more than the next man. That belief is the first violation of the Magnet Code. The magnet code begins with a law most men resist accepting. Attraction is not built through force, it is shaped through perception. Seduction has never been about intensity, it has never been about convincing, it has never been about emotional pressure. Seduction is the ability to influence how you are felt, not how hard you try. Power is not action, power is emotional impact. Most men destroy attraction before it ever has a chance to form. They overgive, they over-explain, they over-invest. They confuse female attention with female approval. A woman looking at you does not mean she wants you, it only means your presence registered. But the validation-starved man interprets attention as permission, and the moment he does, he leaks intention, energy, and hunger. That is anti-magnetic behavior. The magnet code is clear. The man who exposes need forfeits leverage before the interaction even begins. Attraction does not grow in predictability, it grows in contrast, and contrast is the foundation of masculine magnetism. This is why the magnet code never teaches lines, tricks, or routines. Desire is not verbal, desire is invisible. It forms before words, before compliments, before conversation. Desire begins in how you hold space, in your stillness, in the way your presence alters the emotional climate around her. The magnet code teaches this principle without exception. The man who controls the invisible level never chases attention, he provokes it. He does not seek to be chosen, he becomes inevitable. Most men believe attraction is effort-based. The magnet code exposes the truth. Attraction is contrast-based. The most common self-sabotage men commit is over-validation. They elevate women emotionally, they treat them like prizes, they shrink themselves psychologically. The emotional signal is unmistakable. I need approval. I'm afraid of losing you. Neediness is not kindness, it is risk. When you stop chasing validation, your posture changes, your rhythm slows, your presence gains weight. You no longer chase connection or flee from it, you stand centered, and that balance is magnetic. The less you try to impress, the more she wonders. The less you explain, the more she imagines. The less you chase, the more she advances. Presence always outperforms performance. Women do not respond to what you say, they respond to how regulated you remain while saying it. A man who occupies space naturally signals authority. A man who speaks slowly signals control. A man who pauses before responding signals certainty. Before you speak, your presence has already spoken. And this is where most men fail, right before the interaction even begins.